In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix the AliExpress payment failed error. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials and then go to the top right corner where you can see your profile icon and go to the payment tab. Click on it. Now, first things first, you need to make sure that your payment details are correct. Okay, so if you don't have any payment method, you might want to make sure that you have added a card. Okay, so double check your card number, confirm the expiry date, verify the CVV code, make sure the billing address matches your bank records. Because even a small typo can cause the payment to fail. Alright? And of course, you want to make sure that your card is supported. Now, AliExpress supports all these. I'm gonna zoom in out for you guys. Visa, MasterCard, American Express, debit card, and some prepaid cards. Now, if your card isn't supported or has online purchases disabled, the payment won't go through. For example, if you're using Cash App or Revolut or Venmo, call or check your bank app to enable international or online transactions. Okay? Now, you want to make sure that sometimes your bank blocks the payment for security reasons. So you want to make sure to watch out for OTP or verification prompt, check your SMS or your banking app, because if you missed this step, AliExpress will show payment failed. Now, in the event your card keeps failing, try another option, which is using a different card. Okay? Of course, if you want to pay with PayPal, you can do so, but it's not available in some regions. Or if you want, you can use your AliExpress wallet right here. You can use the coupons right here because switching payment methods often fixes the issue instantly. Alright? And of course, if you are using a VPN or proxy, you might want to disable that for now because that could interfere with your payment method. And the last option that you can do if everything still fails, go to the help center. Okay, you need to contact the AliExpress support. From here, all I have to do is check in and click the find account, explain the payment error, and of course, they can tell you exactly why your payment failed. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to fix the problem of payment failed error here in AliExpress. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.